We are pleased to show you the 2017 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power brakes, rear window wiper, interval wipers, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry, premium sound system, security system, power door locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.